Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings on the Guilty Gear Strive game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Guilty Gear Strive game on your device. And from the main menu, you can go into settings by tapping on the enter button within your keyboard. You will now see various different settings. And now tap on system settings. From here, you will see the button settings. In order to change the in-battle button settings, choose the button settings during battle section. From here, you can redefine all of the controls that are set for your keyboard. Just go into any option that you want to redefine and then tap on the U button in order to enter the assigned mode. Then tap on the button that you want to set it to, and you may repeat this process until you have set all of the keys. After setting up all of your keys, you can close this menu, and now you may enjoy your game with the control that you just redefined as. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings within the Guilty Gear Strive game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.